Product description. The A3 enclosure is made from powder-coated aluminum. It is rated NEMA 4X IP66, is acceptable for hose-down duty, and can be installed outdoors. The A3 will automatically detect and operate at any AC input voltage, from 110 to 250 volts AC, 50 or 60 Hertz. All electrical connections are made using the lead wires that are located inside the junction box. Opening the main enclosure is not required. The A3 is controlled by menu-driven software, which is accessed using the front panel touchpad. The pump head assembly encloses the pump tube assembly, the roller assembly, and the tube failure detection system sensors. Remove the 4 thumb screws to remove the pump head cover and access the pump head.